Hi everyone, welcome to the Chiefs Arena. I am your host, The Great. Today I bring you Mamelodi Sundowns versus Kaizer Chiefs match reaction. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's get into it. You know, I looked at our starting 11. I was like, nah, we are going to get cooked. We are going to get outplayed. We are going to get a footballing lesson. But as I was watching, hi everyone, welcome to the Chiefs Arena. I am your host, The Great. Today I bring you Mamelodi Sundowns versus Kaizer Chiefs match reaction. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's get into it. You know, I looked at our starting 11. I was like, nah, we are going to get cooked. We are going to get outplayed. We are going to get a footballing lesson. But as I was watching the match, I was like, we may actually get something from this game. I think a point was very possible, but at the end of the day, quality decided the game. Lucas Ribeiro decided the game. Mamelodi Sundowns didn't create many chances. We also didn't create many chances. So I think a draw would have been a fair result. In my preview, I mentioned that if we don't let Mamelodi Sundowns play in the middle, they won't create much chances. I think we're very good in that midfield. We're aggressive, didn't give them space. I have to give credits to Yusuf Mat. I'm one of the people who are very critical of Yusuf Mat. But I think today he deserves credit. He did very well alongside Tele. And I also mentioned that if we play a high line, they will go long and their forwards are very quick. Let's break this down. Okay, Mukwena has the ball here, very deep. No one is putting pressure on him. But look at how high our line is. We're almost on the center line. And it results in a shot on target. Okay, fine. Okay, we've already had a warning. Again, look at how high our line is. Miguel is out of position. Will Fosler is out of position. But you look at this, you say, okay, but we still have our back four. We still have our two number six. We still have our number 10, our wingers, our number 9. Meaning we're still in shape. But look at the defending here. It's Ocean totally. Look at the amount of space Ephraim Wenas has. Mate, go tight. Edmilson Dove will be the sweeper. Roshin Totally is giving Reina too much space. And I don't know if he was trying to play offside trap or what here. Look, he takes a step forward first. Renas is gone. Cut back. Lovely first touch. Great finish. In my preview, I said there's always going to be space in behind. We are going to create chances by playing in behind. Check this out. Lovely pass from Gwele. Mate, I expect you to score this. I expect you to at least hit the target. What a chance. This was our biggest chance. There's always going to be space in behind. I don't know if Inacio Miguel intended to do this, but yeah, we are in behind. Modi 1v1. Good play here. I hear some fans saying, nah, we shouldn't have went there and played defensive football. We're supposed to go there and play attacking football. Mate, we can't go pound to pound with Mamelodi Sundowns. You can't. We tried to go pound to pound against them in the Carling Cup. We were humbled. I think Nabi had a great plan today, and it almost worked out. It was just small details. I think we thought Mamelodi Sundowns only has one style of play, but I think that's what Miguel Cardoso does very well, to change a plan during the game, make changes. He's not afraid to make changes, but I think it was a great plan from Kaizer Chiefs. And I think we can build from this performance, But again, we know with Kaizer Chiefs, too much inconsistent, This week we play on the highest level. Next week we drop a APC Municipal League performance, So I think if we can build from this performance, we can improve, especially defensively. Anyways, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We will be back for more.